vegan is also part of vegetarian food, not vegetarian food.
Under vegetable.
No, under vegetarian food.
Diet.
Diet, yeah.
Milk also in the vegetable diet.
Vegetarian food it is. We are not
Vegetarian
talking about
food.
the vegan
No.
food.
It is comes
But
under
you told
vegetable
na.
diet only, na.
Vegetarian. We are talking about vegetarian diet,
Vegetarian
non-vegetarian diet, not
Pooja,
vegetable diet.
Pooja, let me
No.
tell. You think whatever come from tree, you think it's a vegetable. Trees are growing in the dead cells only. With animal, human dead cells, they grow
Take it as a
take the food from the dead animals, then grow and give the whatever fruits and leaves. They will come from non-vegetarian, right?
See, the animals or any living organism or whenever they dead, we are made from carbon, oxygen, these elements only. Plants is not consuming that animal source. Okay,
Yeah,
these
they
are
consuming it.
No, they are consuming the
So how
source,
can-
nitrogen,
Yeah.
carbon, oxygen.
Indirectly
These
you
source
eating
they
the
are
non-veg,
consuming.
right?
But when you are having non-veg, you are always guilt-free because you are cutting any animal just for a 30 minutes meal.
But you
are
take
cutting
milk
for
that
it.
time
Yeah,
it's
Actually balancing the cycle actually.
Not balancing. It is
Actually,
not
if
the part of
everyone eating
ecosystem.
vegetable means
See, this is
the
a part
crisis
of-
will come obviously.
No. This is not a part of ecosystem that we are consuming
Obviously
it and
it is. Actually it is
we are
part of
balancing
ecosystem
the
only.
food
So
chain.
for
Okay.
maintain this, there are lion, tiger. They
Yeah,
can eat,
they
but
can.
they
They
can
are
eat,
not-
but
We
we
are
can't
part
eat.
of food chain.
So
No,
that's
no.
why everyone is
Chicken is there,
Chicken
pork
is
is there,
producing
fish
for
is
the
there.
man's
That is
fulfillment.
we are eating and balancing the ecosystem
So
actually.
No,
you
we
are
are
eating-
not balancing
you
the
are
ecosystem.
eating-
Tiger
you are
won't eat
eating
fish in the
So
water
how you
sea,
are looking
and
at
it won't
how
eat.
You are
are-
taking
how
the
are you
food from the
balancing
duck
this?
or the aquatic animals living in the pond or lake. You are taking their source because
Yes.
you have multiple
Because
sources.
they,
You
Yeah,
can
they,
yeah,
take
clean,
as
they
well.
clean pond water. So
We are taking
we
that
are
because we need a
like,
protein and energy.
They are
and
cleaning
calcium.
pond.
So
If
protein
it is
you can
multiple
get
means
from
again
rajma,
crisis
beans,
will happen.
soya bean.
No, they are
Everywhere like
non-veg
that.
also we can get. Non-veg also we can.
Sportsmen or many athletes or actors are now becoming
Vegetarian.
Like vegetarian.
They are following vegetarian diet.
Yeah, they are following
There are many
No,
proteins.
Some
so
vegetarian-
many
vegetarian
vegetarian
also.
people converted to eat non-veg also.
Yeah.
No.
That's
So
why
many
meat
examples
rates
are
I
there.
ca-
Very, like very, you can say very fewer ratio to convert into vegetarian to non-vegetarian.
Yeah.
But now you will
Yes,
see
why they choose non-vegetarian then?
because
Instead
it
of
is
veg.
very,
Veg is there.
very
Then
rich
also why
of
they people are
diet.
choosing non-veg? Because of they want more proteins and those things. That's
Yeah.
why
You can
they are
you
they
can
are going
find
non-veg
protein.
actually.
You can find protein in
Yeah.
vegetarian food also.
You can
not
find
only
In one
non-vegetarian.
food we can get all the proteins, but vegetable
All
you need to
proteins you
combine
can
Yeah.
so many
So many
then only
cereals.
we can get more vitamins, proteins. One food we can
Only-
get multiple
yes,
proteins
I agree.
also.
I agree. You are saying we can find protein. So you can find only protein, or not
Yeah.
find all minerals. You cannot find antioxidant. You can find vitamin C. You
Fibers.
can find fibers
Yeah.
also.
Yes.
Non-vegetarian only, not only eat meat.
non-veg. 70% people are consume the non-veg. So if you
How
want
you can
to
say
grow,
70% people are
yes,
consuming
70%.
Yeah, yeah.
Only 30%
It's
is
not
not.
cheap. It's like very expensive.
Only 30%
and
people
70% is poverty
are
line.
vegetable.
They are
Yeah.
below a poverty line. So it's not possible to 70% only taking non-vegetarian food.
And also by taking vegetarian food, na, your mind is calm. Your cortisol level is very low. Your heart disease.
I'm
level
not
very-
agree.
You are very low.
Obviously,
What is
I
I am not agree this point. I am not agree.
By social media, everyone is everyone exploring this. You should only eat plant-based food and vegetarian food. You so like
Heart diseases will not come only non-vegetarian who have non-vegetarian. That person only get heart diseases. In vegetarian also so many people.
How can you say bird flu? There is a bird flu. Bird flu.
and
Yeah.
Blood
So,
food I didn't get.
Bird flu. Bird flu.
but
Oh.
it was
Chicken flu.
Okay.
And
Chicken flu.
also
it was
pork
happened
has
only because of
pork
eating
has like
non-vegetarian.
any insect inside it. If you not cook properly, even after cooking, it contain the food contain that like insect, so it can go into an intestine and it suck all.
Who will not put put
After
properly boiling.
You only told
No.
after boiling, it will kill every
Yeah,
bacteria
yes,
and
it is,
virus.
yeah.
That's why we are cooking and
This is
properly
not-
we
this
are
is
cooking.
told
Who will
you
eat
are
raw
boiling,
chicken?
you will after boiling, like
You
when
will
you
No, even vegetable also after
Yeah.
boiling, so many chemicals in that
See,
vegetable
I
also.
can just
That
that
you people are consuming actually.
Minerals are also there.
see the food,
You need
when
to
you are cooking
cook
the meat
properly,
in
then
high
only that-
temperature, na,
Yes.
there are endosperm. Bacteria produce endospores. The endospore will not destroy with the high degree of temperature. It will still remain in the food. Did you hear about like endospore? Bacteria produce it. When you, fungus also they produce endospore. They are very these spores are very tough to kill.
It's not there in vegetarian
You
food.
can't eat
It's
it.
not
No,
there in
that's why you are
it's
food
not
and
that
don't
disease is, that
They-
bacteria
they
is not
also
there
live
in
very
vegetarian
high
food.
inside the body of the.
That's
like,
why I'm telling only non-vegetarian food that diseases are that bacteria have.
Non-veg food has a high level of cholesterol.
Yes.
Even vegetarians have
there are many people-
ghee. If you eat, if you ghee, if you have too much, that time also you will get cholesterol. Yeah, heart disease also.
Yes, obviously.
Plant-based food.
Yeah, oily food you can.
I heard
Some,
first time.
I'm not telling you only if you are vegetarian. Only you tell only plant, right? Other you have milk and ghee,
products.
cow products. So many products. That is also.
has a lot of fat.
If you
It
use
contains a
oil,
lot of
if you
fat.
use oil, that time you will get oily food. You will get cholesterol. That time also you can chances to get heart diseases.
No, it is not cause of heart disease
Yeah,
only by eating
if you-
non-veg
Yes,
food.
obviously, if you eat more oily foods, then only
Yeah,
you can-
definitely. So many cases are there.
If
Non-veg
you eat
food also has a lot
highly
of
chemical
yeah,
mixed
fat.
food if you consume, then
When you
also you
make chicken,
can
you-
get
No.
heart disease.
Like there are many like when you eat non-vegetarian food, it contains a lot of fat that we do not need that type of
We
in
can
that
use
quantity,
instead of
we don't
fish
need
also there.
fat.
Fish obviously no fat, zero fat. We can
Yeah,
have
zero
fish
fat.
also.
Omega.
Zero
Yes,
fat.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
has
yes.
fat.
No, yeah.
No,
They have the oily skin.
No,
So it has fat.
It
The
has-
large
No, no, no.
size
No,
fish
zero
has
fat actually.
fat.
No,
No,
you
it is a
can't.
zero
You
fat
can't.
actually.
I think
And to-
only
and to
types.
that-
It depends on types of fishes. All fishes cannot be all zero fat.
Yeah.
Non-vegetarian is known only for
We
fat
consider
and
only zero fat fishes. Then
Yeah, all vegetarian foods are zero fat.
So what about then fiber?
like
Yeah,
fat
yeah.
is
All
also
vegetarian foods are zero fat.
No.
According
zero
to you,
fat
you
is
telling
zero.
right.
Fat is also needed for our body because in
You
a-
only tell it's fat. Non-veg is fat food.
So it contains
you
a
want
lot
But
of
yeah,
fat.
you go to
We
talk
don't-
with the
we don't
vegetarian,
need
that time fat is
we
required for
don't
body.
need that amount of fat. We need only a small amount of fat.
Yeah, if you have small amount balancedly, if you have non-vegetarian, that time no problem. If you eat too much, yeah, if you
oil we can get from coconut, we can get from
Yeah, it's
like,
very
any
ch-
seeds, we get oil from that. Fat we will get from that nuts, seeds, coconut. From this
that time cholesterol will build. Definitely, if you have too much, definitely you will get cholesterol. For example, so many people have cholesterol, vegetarians. For example, everybody has, right? So many people, vegetarian also, non-vegetarians have.
because heart diseases. Doctor always told leave like
Only who have non-vegetarian, that people only get heart diseases according to you.
Mostly.
What about
most
vegetarian?
of the diseases.
Vegetarian don't get heart
I'm not
diseases.
saying that ki vegetarian not
But
getting,
causes,
heart diseases.
main causes.
They can be they can
What?
have
Can you give me reason why actually?
so because there are multiple reasons because they
Because
have
of that food culture
they
actually.
have
What
not
they
food
are
culture, they are not
having
body,
actually
they are not
daily
healthy living,
daily
they are not
what
doing
they are
exercise.
having, that is
No.
cause this
This
disease
depends
actually.
on the body activity.
Yeah,
They won't-
When
they-
you
then
eat only
those
if you
people
not
won't
doing
eat
body
non-veg.
activity.
Those people only vegetarian. Then also they are suffering from some disease. Then how? this
Yeah.
disease will
You
come?
can't say they are
Because of that
only-
food culture.
No,
Food
no.
culture itself some.
Non-veg